Breaking news from Washington, D.C. President Trump just wrapping up trade talks with the Chinese delegation, saying that the U.S. has reached a substantial Phase 1 deal with China. Let's bring in Jessica Smith. What do we know about Phase 1, Jess?
Yeah, we're still working to learn more about this. The president talking to reporters in the Oval Office as we speak. According to reporters that are in the room, he has announced a substantial Phase 1 deal. He says it is subject to it getting written. And he says, according to these reporters, that it will take 3 weeks or so to write, and it will conclude around the time of the APEC summit in mid-November. He says that Phase 2 will start immediately after. And one of the reporters in the room says that this Phase 1 include pieces on intellectual property theft, financial services, $40 to $50 billion in agricultural purchases. But again, this deal is not written yet, and it might take a couple weeks to get done. We did have that Bloomberg report earlier saying that there was a partial deal that negotiators had agreed upon, and it was subject to President Trump approving it and everything going well with this meeting with the vice premier. It looks like things are going well as President Trump announces this Phase 1 of a trade deal. So as soon as we get more information, we're able to get the video from the Oval Office. Once he wraps up there, we'll be sure to keep you updated.
Jessica Smith in Washington, D.C. I will note that the market is off its highs for the session right now.
There's the news you can sell, Jen.
There is a little bit more news in what
That's right.
with the IP and the financial services part. The ag spending also could be a little bit higher, but it isn't lighting this market on fire. So far, the early trickles of what's coming out about it.
Phase 1, then Phase 2, Phase 3. Why stop there?
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.